If you're studying for a degree, it's essential that you learn how to reference correctly. It can feel like a chore. Why is it so important? Number 1. Referencing gives credit to the authors of the sources you've used in your work. And in doing so, you avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is presenting the work, words, images or ideas of another person as if they were your own. Plagiarism is taken very seriously at university. To learn more about it, take the Avoiding Plagiarism tutorial on Blackboard. Number 2. Referencing demonstrates the research you've done and shows those marking your work which sources you have consulted. Number 3. Referencing allows others to find the sources you have cited, so they can learn more about the topic for themselves and also verify you're using the sources accurately. For more information, visit our Referencing LibGuide.